Hi, I'm Tatiana. I'm a realtor here in Tennessee and Kentucky. And honestly, I just really love helping people through big moments like buying or selling a home. I know it can feel like a lot sometimes, so I try to keep things simple, stay really responsive, and make sure you always feel comfortable asking questions no matter how small. My goal is for you to feel supported, not pressured, and confident in the decision you're making. So if you're thinking about making a move, let's connect.